Hey everyone, it's Mark here. Today we're diving into some essential keyboard shortcuts that can save you tons of time and make your workflow much smoother. We all use computers every single day, and let's be real, some tasks can feel a little repetitive. Clicking through menus, scrolling endlessly, it all adds up. That's where keyboard shortcuts come in. They're like secret time-saving codes that make you feel like a total tech ninja. Whether you're writing a paper, editing photos, or just browsing the web, these shortcuts will level up your productivity game. So let's jump right in and unlock the power of efficiency. First up, we've got the classic copy shortcut, Ctrl+C. This one's a lifesaver when you need to duplicate text, images, files, you name it. Just select what you want to copy, hit Ctrl+C, and boom, it's on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. And speaking of pasting, that brings us to our next shortcut. Ctrl+V, your trusty sidekick for pasting all that copied goodness. Once you've copied something with Ctrl+C, just hit Ctrl+V where you want it to go, and it's there. It's super handy for moving text around, duplicating files, and just generally streamlining your workflow. But hey, we all make mistakes, right? So, what happens when you copy something and then realize, wait, that's not what I meant to copy? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Ctrl+X is like a supercharged copy command. It not only copies the selected content but also removes it from its original location. Think of it as cutting and pasting in one swift move. This is especially helpful when you're reorganizing text or files. Just cut and paste, and you'll be amazed at how much faster things move along. Chapter 4. Undo, also known as Ctrl+Z. We've all been there, accidentally deleting a paragraph, moving a file to the wrong folder, you name it. That's where the undo shortcut comes in clutch. Hit Ctrl+Z and it's like you can rewind time and undo your last action. Seriously, this shortcut is a lifesaver, especially when those little accidents happen. Chapter 5. Redo or Ctrl+Y. Now sometimes you might undo something and then realize, wait a minute, I actually wanted that. No worries, the redo shortcut is here to save the day. Just hit Ctrl+Y after undoing something and it'll bring it right back. It's like a safety net for your actions. Chapter 6. Select All, which is Ctrl+A. Need to select a whole document, a bunch of files, or everything in a folder? Ctrl+A is your go-to shortcut. No more dragging your mouse across the entire screen, just hit Ctrl+A and you're good to go. This one's a real time saver, especially when you're dealing with large chunks of text or a ton of files. Chapter 7. Ever find yourself scrolling through a massive document or web page, desperately searching for a specific word or phrase? Ctrl+F is here to make your life easier. This shortcut opens up the search function, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for. No more endless scrolling, just type and go. Chapter 8. Save, Ctrl+S. We've all been there, you're working on something important, and suddenly the power goes out, or your computer crashes. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Make it a habit to hit Ctrl+S regularly to save your work. Trust me, this simple shortcut can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Chapter 9. Print, Ctrl+P. Need to print something quickly? Ctrl+P is the shortcut for you. It instantly opens up the print dialog box so you can choose your printer settings and get that document or image on paper in no time. Chapter 10. New tab, Ctrl+T. For all you web surfers out there, Ctrl+T is about to become your new best friend. This shortcut instantly opens a new tab in your browser, so you can seamlessly navigate the internet without interrupting your workflow. It's perfect for quickly looking up something or comparing different websites side by side. And there you have it, folks. These keyboard shortcuts are sure to boost your productivity. Mastering these shortcuts is like unlocking a new level of computer fluency. You'll be navigating your devices with speed and precision, leaving everyone wondering, how did they do that? But remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to try these shortcuts out in your daily routine. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.